Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam was the son of Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam was very just even as a young boy, and he became well known and respected for his wisdom. When he became a man, Allah made him his prophet. Allah also taught him to understand the languages of birds and animals. Yet, in spite of his wisdom and wealthy positions, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam never forgot Allah. He knew that all goodness comes from Allah. Thus, he always told his people, thank Allah for good He has given you and for His generosity. Worship Allah and do good deeds. Once Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam and his soldiers were passing through a valley inhabited by ants. Sulaiman heard one ant say to another, quick, get out of the way and hide. Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam and his soldiers are coming, and they will tramp on us and not even know they have done so. Hazrat Sulaiman, of course, was able to understand the ants' language. He laughed and ordered his soldiers to stay still and wait until all the ants had crawled away to safety. Then he prayed to Allah, O Allah, help me in doing the right things so that you will be contented with me. One day, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam called all the birds together round him. But as he glanced through the flock, he noticed that hoopoe bird was not there. He waited for some time, and just as he was deciding not wait any longer, the hoopoe suddenly came flying in and sat himself down next to Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. I have come from a faraway city called Saba, Hoopoe said. The people there are very rich, and they have a queen who sits on a magnificent throne. These people worship the sun and believed that they are right to treat the sun as God. But they are wrong, are they not? They will not. They will never find the right way to Allah if they go on like that. Allah is the only one whom all creatures should worship. Hazrat Sulaiman then wrote a letter to Queen of Saba and went the hoopoe to take it to her. When the Queen of Saba received the letter, she called all the wise men of the city to her and said, I have received a letter from Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, said the queen. In it, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam writes that we should believe in Allah and worship only Him. What would you advise me to do? The wise men answered, we are very powerful and can make war against Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam. But you have to decide yourself what is to be done. The queen protested, but a war could cause destruction to our city, and our best warriors will turn into a cruel fighter. Queen protested, therefore, I would prefer not to make war. Instead, I will send Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam a present. When the messengers of the Queen of Saba arrived with the present, they were very surprised because Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam became very angry. Why do you bring me these riches instead of listening to my advice? Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam scolded. What Allah has given me is much better than all these riches. Go to your queen and take her present with you. When she heard that Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam had refused her valuable gifts, the Queen of Saba, in her return, was surprised. So she decided to go to see Sulaiman alayhi salam for herself. She called her people and made preparations for the journey to Sulaiman alayhi salam city. When the queen arrived, Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam explained to her about Allah, and she realized how wrong she had been to worship the sun. You are right, she told Sulaiman alayhi salam. From now, I shall worship only Allah. He is our only Lord, and we should obey only Him.